A lot of people are looking to date somebody from outside of their own culture, and that's what this site aims to do. Hey, welcome to Online for Love, your #1 resource for dating by the numbers. Today we're going to be reviewing China Love Cupid. Before we dive into this review, you should check out our free online dating app, Quiz. This quiz will pair you with your perfect online dating site. It's quick, it's fun, it's totally free, and the link is in the description. Go ahead and take the quiz, then come on back here and comment below what your answers are, because I'm really curious to know what your perfect dating site. And while you're checking out our description box, don't forget to click the link to our deals page as well, because we're always getting all sorts of different deals and discounts for different dating apps and dating sites, and why spend more money if you don't have to? Go ahead and click the link to our deals page and check out all of our affiliate links to see if you could possibly save yourself some money. But let's go ahead and start the review. So I've actually separated this review into 5 key sections full of information that will help you decide if you want to sign up for it or not. So we're going to be talking about the user demographics, the ease of use, the pricing, the key features, and the success rates. So let's get started with number 1, the user demographics. So China Love Cupid has about 1 million users, which might not seem a lot compared to a lot of the other major dating sites out there, but for such a niche dating site, that is a lot of users. It's actually one of the most popular dating sites for foreigners to meet Chinese people. The users are quite active, and the website counts 8,000 weekly logins. There are people of all nationalities on this website, but the majority will be either Western people who are interested in dating Chinese people. So there's a lot of Chinese citizens and people in Western countries such as the US. Actually, out of 1 million users, 20,000 are Americans. And the website's quite popular in the UK and other larger European countries. As far as age distribution, people in their 20s and 30s are the most active. The gender distribution is just about equal. There are slightly more men on the site than women, but it is a small difference. As far as what people are looking for on this site, it really depends. There's a wide range of things that people are looking for. Some people are looking for nothing more than just friendship, and some people are looking for a long-term serious relationship, and everything in between, so it all depends. A lot of the users on this site are planning to travel to China somewhat soon. This can actually be a great site to maybe make a pen pal and start to maybe practice your Chinese or getting used to a different culture. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So it really helps us out actually when you give us a thumbs up, because that shows YouTube that people are enjoying our content. So then YouTube pushes our videos out for more people to see. So we'd really appreciate your thumbs up and your subscriptions. So let's go ahead and talk about the ease of use of this site, starting with how it is to become a member. And it's actually very quick and simple. You'll only need a few minutes to get started. The website requires some basic information, which is your age, email, and gender, and you'll have to state what gender you're interested in. It's not a very inclusive site because there isn't an option to be part of the LGBTQ+ community. You'll have to also type in a username and a strong password. You could also choose to connect one of your social media accounts, which would definitely help to make the process of signing up even shorter. This is because your information would automatically be transferred and you wouldn't have to manually input it. You also must upload a photo because this is necessary for your verification process. You can also add details about your looks, like your height, eye color, etc. Short description is welcomed as well, and we highly recommend you put this in there and fill out the whole profile as much as you can, because this will always help your chances in finding someone who is a good fit for you. So the team on this website claims to do background checks to ensure that the people using this site are real and not scammers or bots. So that is good to hear, although you should always be aware that it's still a possibility to run into scammers or bots. You will have to wait for your profiles to be approved, but this should happen fairly quickly. To browse potential matches, you will have to go ahead and apply some filters. These are specific things that you can input to find in someone else, like their height, their hair color, etc. The same things that you actually wrote about yourself. Profiles that meet your criteria will be shown in a grid. You'll only be able to see their profile picture, name, age, and location. This is how you make contact. So you can contact any profile simply by clicking on their like or message icons. If you want to see the full profile, just click on it. The structure of the profiles is super simple. It gives a brief overview of some general information so you can quickly decide whether to contact someone or not. Information about education, habits, interests, looks, and others is placed in bullets, so it's super easy on the eyes. If you're worried about fakes, always look for a verification mark. When it comes to contact, free members are able to send messages for free, but it is limited. In order to actually message someone, you would have to like them and they would have to like you back in order for any contact to be initiated. There are also video and audio calls available in private chats, although there are mixed reviews on how successful these are. Besides direct messages, they also offer chat rooms. Question of the day: what is your favorite part of Chinese culture? Leave it in the comments below. Or also, alternatively, are you from or have you been to China? I would love to visit China one day. So leave in the comments all of your opinions and all of your stories. We'd love to hear from you. Now let's go ahead and dive into the pricing of this website. So this website does actually offer some free features, although some of them will actually come at a price. Some of the free services include a registration process, browsing, and messaging premium members. The website has basic and advanced features, and both categories are unlocked to non-paying members. If you want to try the instant messenger, you will have to upgrade your account. Besides this, paid members also have access to messages sent to standard members, live chats, and VIP highlights. You can also get access to a translator, which can be super helpful. So basically, while you can sign up for free, communication is severely limited unless you upgrade your membership. They offer two types of memberships, Gold and Premium. So the prices for the Gold membership goes as follows. For 1 month of Gold membership, it'll cost you $29.98 USD. For 3 months, it'll cost you $59.99 or roughly $20 a month. And for 12-month Gold membership, it'll cost you $119.98 or roughly $10 a month. For a Platinum membership on this site, the prices goes as follows. For a 1-month membership, it'll cost you $34.99. For a 3-month membership, it'll cost you $69.98 or roughly $23.33 a month. For a 12-month membership, it'll cost you $149.99 or roughly $12.50 a month. This is very pricey in my opinion, so whether or not this is worth it to you to actually pay for is up to you. We always recommend for any dating site that offers paid memberships for you to go ahead and utilize this site as a free member for as long as you can before you really have a handle on the site to see whether you like it or not before deciding to invest any money. But speaking of money, if you want to potentially save some money, don't forget to click the link in our description to our deals page because we're always getting all sorts of awesome deals for different dating sites and dating apps, and you might be able to save some money through our affiliate links. So don't forget to check out our deals page. But now let's go ahead and talk about the key features of this site. One of the key features of this site is Cupid tags. Cupid tags are a type of advanced search and filter feature. They're basically like hashtags to your profiles, and this will help you find other people who are interested in the same things as you. A second key feature is match rate. So this website doesn't have any specific matchmaking algorithm. You're just sort of browsing through profiles and messaging however you like. However, creators did decide to add a match rate. This is a number placed inside a small box, and you can see it by entering someone's profile. This is supposed to be a little compatibility score to see how compatible or not you are. The third key feature is Flora 2000. This gives you the opportunity to send small little gifts to somebody virtually, like flowers. And the fourth key feature of this site is a translator, which is so integral and important on a site like this, which is full of foreigners and Chinese people who are trying to commingle. This is a feature that works in real time. When you send or receive a message, it's automatically translated for you. Keep in mind, this is not foolproof, so it might not be 100% exact all the time. In fact, it probably won't be. If you're enjoying this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's go ahead and talk about number 5 on my list, which is the success rates of this site. So this website does not give out specific statistics on its successes or its failures. Other sites like eHarmony give out real specific information about how many matches they've helped create, how many marriages, etc. It's not like this for this site, so we're gonna have to go ahead and deduce the success rate based off of the information that we do have. We can deduce that a lot of the people on this site might lean more towards the conservative side because there's not an option to say that you're part of the LGBTQ+ community. You also should keep in mind when you're approaching this site to come from a place of respect. The point of this site is to help people make connections with other people of different cultures and different nationalities. If you're not ready to appreciate some differences to your own culture, then just don't sign up because it's not going to be successful for you. Also keep in mind that finding somebody who maybe doesn't even speak the same language as you from a different country completely, it could be a little bit hard to find exactly what you're looking for because of that. It's already not a website with a very huge user base, and in general it can be pretty hard to connect with somebody when you don't even speak the same language, so you have to be patient with the whole process. And again, if you're interested in this site, definitely use it as a free, non-paying member at first, and only if you are enjoying it and you think it would benefit you should you then go ahead and actually purchase a membership. If you're either in China or you're in a Western country like the US or the UK, then that is where you're going to find the best chances of actually making a connection with somebody. They only have around 1 million users on the site, and those are the most highly populated places where the users are. But that's going to wrap up this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out our free online dating app quiz, the link that's popping up above me, so that you can get paired with your perfect online dating site. Also check out our deals page, the link is also above me. You can possibly save some money with some of our affiliate codes, and why spend more money if you don't have to? So don't forget to check that out. Also check out some of our other videos which are popping up on either side of me now. But what do you think? Have you used this site? Or have you dated somebody who was from a different culture than you, someone who maybe didn't even speak the same language as you? We'd love to hear your story, so definitely leave them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it, and hopefully we'll see you here again at Online for Love. Thanks, bye!